guys, so I am back. This video is going to be a little bit different. It's more of like an unboxing video, and I'm going to be trying out some of the makeup in more different way. Basically what I have here is the Spring 2018 fashion collection. So I've got all of the makeup and I've got a few other things as well. The dyeing candle used in the show. So I've got some lip crayons here, as you can see on the back. I'm going to actually use one of these colors for like a monochromatic look. I want to see how they feel like on the lips, maybe use some on the cheeks, a bit on the eyes. There's 3 in here. These weren't actually used in the show. These are just inspired by the show. The entire Spring 2018 collection was really colorful, heaps of florals. I think I'm going to use this dark red color, which is How Rouge. Cute little pink bag, look how cute that is. So I'm going to take How Rouge. So these are super, super creamy. They blend really well. So I'm going to just start on the lips. I'm kind of liking at the moment just putting it in the middle. They dry matte. I'm gonna do a tiny bit on like the cheeks maybe. Just use your finger, it's so easy. Now I'm gonna just try a little bit on the lid. I haven't done this yet, but I do like a red lid. So depending on like how crazy you want it, you can add more, you can add less. So I've just got a little bit of Velvet Noir on and a tiny bit of Feather Noir on the bottom. Just a little bit. Then I've got actually a little bit of Brow Wow on my like lash line at the top. Super subtle. So these are really awesome, but you've got to just blend. You've got to keep blending. There it is. That's a cool another way that you can use that, not just for the lips, but everywhere else as well. So let's keep going. So this is actually what everything that was used in the show. Dyeing Candle created variations of big like black wings. Of course, black eyeliner. These dry really matte and are super, super long wearing. Magic marker, really fine tip. So she created a lot of really dramatic, thin wings. She brought a lot of it down to like the corners of the eyes, finished it off with Velvet Noir. Heaps and heaps of black mascara, which is really pretty. Look at the little mini ones. That is all that's in that one. Super simple. That's just like your guide to a really like strong, dramatic wing. And the last thing are the Enamored High Shine Nail Lacquers. So these are, I'm not gonna put these on because I'm not very good at nails. So these are actually custom made for the show. So like every show, Marc like comes up with the look for the whole entire show, and then from there he creates custom nail colors. These are quite similar to the colors of the lip crayons. Peachy pinks, lots of florals, lots of color. So I think I really like this orangey one. Such a pretty color. Nice nude as well. Really pretty. And I love the packaging, it's so sleek. That's nail lacquers. So that is it for the fashion collection. So you obviously have the lip crayons, which I did this look with. You have the black kit. You have everything you need for a really black eye. And then you have the nail lacquers. It's really pretty. That is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching. I hope you found something helpful with this look. Let me know in the comments what you thought, what your favorite nail color was, all of that stuff. And I'll see you in the next video.